To troubleshoot Monday.com board settings, start by reviewing the board structure and identifying the issue. Check if the problem is related to a specific column, group, or item. Ensure that you have the necessary permissions to edit the board settings. Next, navigate to the board settings by clicking on the three dots at the top right corner of the board and selecting Settings. In the Settings menu, review the board configuration, including the columns, groups, and views. Check for any duplicate or unnecessary columns, and remove them if necessary. Verify that the column types are correctly set, such as text, date, or numeric. Ensure that the formulas and automations are correctly configured and not causing any errors. Check the board permissions and make sure that the right people have access to the board and its items. If the issue persists, try resetting the board settings to their default values. To do this, click on the Reset button at the bottom of the Settings menu. Be cautious when resetting the settings, as this will remove any custom configurations. It is also essential to review the board's integrations and ensure that they are correctly set up. Check the connected apps and services, and verify that the authentication is valid. If you are still experiencing issues, try disconnecting and reconnecting the integrations. To prevent future issues, establish a regular maintenance routine for your Monday.com boards. This includes reviewing the board settings, updating the columns and groups, and monitoring the integrations. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot Monday.com board settings and ensure that your boards are running smoothly and efficiently. Additionally, consider documenting your board settings and configurations, so you can easily track changes and updates. This will also help you to identify and resolve issues quickly. By being proactive and taking the time to review and maintain your board settings, you can maximize the potential of Monday.com and improve your team's productivity.